What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another Nike outlet find. I found a pair of triple black Air Max 90 Ultra Mid winterized sneakers at the outlet. They were $120 and then 30% off. I think that brought them down to like $82 or something like that. $84. Here they are. Definitely a very nice pair of shoes, if you ask me. It's an Air Max 90. I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with an Air Max 90. The Ultra means it has like this exterior extension. I guess a little heel. It's kind of like a high. Conventional Air Max 90 bottoms. And you get this nice like material here, which I'm pretty sure you could just wipe off if it gets dirty. It's probably a little bit more insulating too. That's why they call it the winter Air Max 90. Gonna throw them on here in just a second, so please let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. If you want a pair for yourself, check out StockX. There's an affiliate marketing link in the description. You might be able to get yourself a pretty good deal on a pair of these. Let's throw them on foot here, but before we do that, I'm going to brighten up the shot so you can see a little bit better. Let's check them out. Now I've already removed any interior stuffing. When you get an all black Nike shoe like this, you really can't go wrong. They look especially good with jeans and joggers. If you're interested in some jeans and joggers that look good with your sneakers, check out the Amazon affiliate marketing links in the description. I personally think that these would look better with some joggers on, but they don't look too bad with the jeans at all. This size is a little bit big for me, to be honest. Some of you may comment on that. It's a great comfortable way to have an all black sneaker right here. Here they are. This is the Air Max 90 Winter triple black colorway. There's affiliate marketing links in the description to get yourself a pair, to get yourself some nice jeans and joggers on Amazon as well. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.